What makes a car stand out in 2025? Is it unmatched performance, groundbreaking technology, or a perfect blend of luxury and speed? Let's explore the best cars of 2025, where innovation and excitement meet the road like never before. Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing, the unmatched contender for 2025. As we enter 2025, the Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing emerges as the ultimate performance sedan, redefining what a luxury sports car can achieve. Boasting an exhilarating 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 4 seconds and quarter-mile sprints that clock in just under 12.5 seconds, this high-performance machine is engineered to dominate. Whether you choose the slick 6-speed manual or the adaptive 10-speed automatic, the Blackwing's precision is unwavering. But it's not just about numbers. The CT4-V Blackwing blends power with finesse, offering over 1.0 G of lateral grip and a claimed top speed of 189 miles per hour, rivaling the best in its class. What truly sets it apart is the driver-focused experience, refined handling, a robust chassis, and an intuitively responsive cockpit. The CT4-V Blackwing doesn't just meet the competition, it outpaces them, making it the definitive choice for enthusiasts seeking unrivaled performance in 2025. Chevrolet Corvette, the 2025 icon of performance and versatility. The Chevrolet Corvette is an undisputed icon, blending unparalleled speed with everyday practicality. Whether you choose the 490 horsepower Stingray, the electrifying all-wheel drive E-Ray, or the track-devouring Z06, the Corvette lineup offers something for every performance enthusiast. The base Stingray rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.8 seconds, while the E-Ray, with its hybrid powertrain, shaves off even more time, hitting the same mark in just 2.5 seconds. What truly sets the Corvette apart is its remarkable versatility. This isn't just a supercar, it's one you can drive daily, thanks to its supple ride quality, smooth handling, and refined interior that offers both luxury and comfort. The E-Ray, in particular, takes Corvette innovation to the next level, blending electric power with its iconic V8 engine to deliver an entirely new driving experience with instant torque and thrilling acceleration. With a driver-focused cockpit, advanced tech features like a large touchscreen and premium audio system, and a striking aerodynamic design, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette is a masterclass in performance and design, redefining what a modern sports car can be. Honda Accord, the 2025 sedan that redefines expectations. The Honda Accord is here to break the mold, showing that a family sedan can offer more than just practicality. Consistently topping our 10 best list for 39 years, the Accord shines in areas where other cars in its class often fall short. Starting at just $29,390, the base model impresses with handling that defies expectations, tackling twisty roads with agility while maintaining a smooth, comfortable ride. The hybrid variants take performance even further, with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and electric motors combining for 204 horsepower, delivering both quick acceleration and superb cornering. Beyond its performance, the Accord excels with generous interior space, intuitive technology, including a user-friendly touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and a refined cabin that ensures every drive is enjoyable. Achieving an outstanding 39 miles per gallon on the highway and backed by Honda's legendary reliability, the 2025 Accord is the sedan that does it all. With advanced safety features such as Honda Sensing, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation, the Accord sets a new standard in the family sedan segment. Is this the sedan you've been waiting for in 2025, where performance and practicality meet seamlessly? Lucid Air 2025, the future of luxury electric driving. The new Lucid Air sets a new benchmark for what luxury electric vehicles can achieve, blending cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance. With up to 1,111 horsepower in its Dream Edition, this electric sedan accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest cars in the world. But it's not just about speed. The Lucid Air redefines comfort with an interior that combines spaciousness, premium materials, and advanced tech like its massive 34-inch curved OLED display and customizable ambient lighting. The 2025 model also boasts an impressive range of over 500 miles on a single charge, making it a true contender for long-distance electric driving. The Air's innovative Lucid Dream Drive system offers unparalleled driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safe and futuristic driving experience. With its sleek modern design, ultra-fast charging capability, and eco-friendly performance, the 2025 Lucid Air isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. Honda Civic 2025, a new era of affordable excellence. The Honda Civic proves that affordability doesn't have to mean compromise. With a rich history dating back to the 1970s, the Civic has been a cornerstone of the compact car market, delivering value and quality across generations. The latest model builds on this legacy with a sleek, modern design, sharper lines, and an upgraded interior that feels more premium than ever. Its refined handling, responsive steering, and smooth ride make it a joy on both city streets and winding roads, while its impressive fuel efficiency ensures fewer stops at the pump. Powered by a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter or optional 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, the Civic provides a perfect blend of performance and economy. Inside, the Civic offers a tech-forward experience with a responsive infotainment system, digital displays, and seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety remains a priority with Honda's suite of advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist and collision mitigation braking system. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a car that delivers fun without breaking the bank, the 2025 Honda Civic strikes the perfect balance between practicality, comfort, and excitement. The compact car continues to set the standard for affordable quality. Mercedes-Benz E450 2025, the pinnacle of comfort and power. The Mercedes-Benz E450 stands as the ultimate luxury sedan, seamlessly combining elegance with exhilarating performance. The interior of the E450 is a haven of comfort, with high-end materials, plush leather upholstery, and a quiet, refined cabin that provides a tranquil ride, even at highway speeds. Powered by a smooth, potent 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid assistance, this sedan offers the perfect balance of luxury and performance, delivering sports car-like acceleration with a refined character. Clocking in at 4.4 seconds to 60 miles per hour, and completing a quarter mile in 13.0 seconds at 109 miles per hour. The E450 delivers impressive speed without compromising comfort. Its modern W214 generation design brings sleek sophistication to its stellar reputation, offering a smooth ride that effortlessly absorbs imperfections, while its advanced air suspension maintains stability at all speeds. Equipped with cutting-edge technology such as a digital cockpit, intuitive infotainment system, and active safety features, the E450 offers a truly immersive driving experience. For those seeking a blend of refined luxury, powerful performance, and innovative tech, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E450 is the sedan to drive, embodying the perfect harmony between power, comfort, and style. Toyota GR86 2025, pure fun, uncomplicated performance. The Toyota GR86 proves that a thrilling driving experience doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. This compact coupe, equipped with a 228-horsepower flat-four engine and rear-wheel drive, takes you back to the basics of driving excitement. The GR86's manual transmission, sharp steering, and responsive handling make it a standout in a world dominated by tech-heavy, assisted driving cars. Despite its small footprint, the GR86 feels nimble and perfectly balanced, with a spacious front cabin that's focused entirely on the driver's enjoyment. Its minimalist design, with comically small rear seats, keeps the car light and engaging, providing pure driving pleasure on every twist and turn. The GR86's styling is sleek, purposeful, and aggressive, while its affordable price and engaging dynamics place it in a rare category, with very few competitors. Outside its mechanical twin, the Subaru BRZ. With excellent throttle response, a low curb weight, and remarkable cornering ability, the GR86 is built for enthusiasts who seek precision and excitement. For those seeking an exhilarating yet budget-friendly driving experience, the 2025 Toyota GR86 stands as a true enthusiast's car. Mazda MX-5 Miata 2025, the ultimate roadster for the true driving enthusiast. The Mazda MX-5 Miata continues to be the epitome of affordable, pure driving pleasure, perfectly honed over 3 decades of refinement. Whether you opt for the classic soft top or the RF retractable fastback, the Miata remains a compact sports car that's a joy to drive. Powered by a 181 HP, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, the Miata loves to rev, delivering an engaging driving experience that's best enjoyed with its 6-speed manual gearbox, though an automatic is also available. With responsive direct steering, an agile chassis, and a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the Miata effortlessly tackles twisty roads with unmatched precision. The cabin, while stylish and driver-focused, is snug, making it less ideal for taller drivers or long trips. But the focus here is on the drive, not practicality. The trunk is small and storage is limited, but who needs cargo space when you're having this much fun? With its lightweight design and classic roadster charm, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a reminder that driving is about connection, joy, excitement, and the open road. Tesla Model 3 Long Range 2025, evolving into the perfect electric sedan. The Tesla Model 3 Long Range proves that even the smallest updates can lead to significant improvements. While its overall design remains familiar, Tesla has made subtle but impactful enhancements, elevating this electric sedan into a top contender for 2025. The most notable upgrade is the increased battery capacity, now at 82 kilowatt, which boosts its EPA range from 311 to an impressive 363 miles, making long-distance electric travel even more practical. Power is up too, with a 302 horsepower motor that provides smooth acceleration, quick performance, and effortless highway cruising, reducing the 0 to 60 miles per hour time by half a second. This version also offers better efficiency, combining Tesla's signature quick acceleration with an overall enhanced driving experience and refined handling. With its advanced autopilot features, minimalist interior, and cutting-edge tech, the Model 3 Long Range provides an unmatched balance of performance, luxury, and innovation. While the design may have remained largely the same, these refinements have brought the Model 3 Long Range into the spotlight as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, efficient, and powerful electric vehicle in 2025. Porsche 718 Boxster 2025, a symphony of speed and precision. The Porsche 718 Boxster stands as a testament to Porsche's unwavering commitment to performance, precision, and driving pleasure. This roadster combines exceptional agility with everyday usability, making it the perfect companion for thrill seekers and driving enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, the Boxster delivers 300 horsepower, offering quick acceleration and dynamic handling that can tackle any twisty road. For those craving more power, the 718 Boxster S cranks it up to 350 horsepower, delivering an even sharper, more exhilarating drive. Inside, the cockpit is designed to keep the driver in focus, with an ergonomic layout and premium materials that reflect Porsche's luxury pedigree. Its low-slung, lightweight body and finely tuned suspension create a driving experience that's as responsive as it is exciting. With the 2025 718 Boxster, Porsche continues to perfect the art of the roadster, delivering an unmatched blend of sportiness and refinement. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best cars for 2025. From electrifying performance to luxurious comfort, these cars truly set the standard for what's to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest reviews, updates, and automotive insights. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and let us know what topic you'd like us to explore in the next video. Your feedback fuels our passion to bring you the most exciting content. Until then, stay tuned for more thrilling updates expert reviews, and in-depth looks at the world's finest cars. Keep your drive alive.